Yeah, if we are talking for the manufacturing industry, we also talk for the MSME industry that is playing the pivotal role for the Indian economy. And you recently visited the China. So, seeing the AI, automation, robotics, all the things are coming and it's like completely evolving now. So, what is your perspective comparing to India? Where is the India compared to the China in the manufacturing industry?
See, it's a known fact that China is having big advantage of scale of economy. Okay, they are at very large manufacturing establishments and levels. We are as of now lacking behind. The main thing I see in China is the fluidity of the overall ecosystem of the manufacturing. So we have moved from the license Raj to, but we have moved towards the inspector Raj now. So I think we need to unclip the wings of the industry. We should have more trusted partnership between the government, rule implementing agencies, and the industrial associations. Even for an example, even taking, I was in China when we used to travel along with the material from one place to another, there was no documentation required. Whereas in India, the loading, unloading, and transportation time is less, but the documentation time is more. So we need to remove all this. There I saw they have 5 rules, 100% implemented, and we have 100 rules, 5% adherence. So this needs to flip. That is one. As far as the AI and ML, machine learning, deep learning, and the robotics is concerned, so China is far ahead of us, but we are industry is also at very good pace now, and they are using the technology to their benefit in enhancing the productivity, utilization of the assets. There are various stages for different companies as of now. Some are just starting, some have matured to different level. But what I would suggest to industry is that first they should not look AI, ML and digitization as an ROI component. This is a strategic investment, right? There is no other go, you have to invest in it. One. Second, instead of what we all have done mistakes is we have gathered standalone solutions which are not talking to each other. So it is time to take hard decision of ripping them off and have one single umbrella of digitization. It's a tough call, I know, and people are, and there is no success of digitization without the operator working on the machine, because he is the person who will ultimately punch in the production and the rejections and the downtime. So yes, we are well poised, we are improving, and we should, even the smaller companies who don't want to invest immediately heavily can choose one model. It is like choosing one car and then buying spare of only one car, so that they start building from the wheels to steering to the seating system and to the air conditioning system, so they can talk later with each other.
Very true.
So yes, we are well poised and we are going to not only catch but beat China very soon.
વેરી ટ્રુ. અને સાથે સાથે સર ગુજરાતની વાત કરીએ તો યુ આર ઓલ્સો ઇનિશિયલ સ્પેન ઓફ કેરિયર ઇન ટુ ધ ગુજરાત. સો વોટ્સ યોર ઇમોશનલ ટચ વિથ એન્ડ કેન યુ જસ્ટ શેર ફ્યુ ઓફ ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ?
Yes, I was in. Thank you for asking that. I was waiting for this question rather. So I was here from my third standard to my engineering. Right. So I have stayed here. I have gone through the. I have very closely enjoyed the culture of Garbas and Navratris here. I have seen Jhulta Minar here. I have traveled to Punjab, my native place, taking train from Kalupur station, Ashram Express. How can I forget that? The Kankaria Lake, we have done some illegal fishing also there in our student life, and the Bakra Gadi, right? So combining all these things, I think it is really memorable, and I love Gujarat's culture. That is the reason I am here to launch my first book in Gujarat. Lal Darwaja, changing buses, Lal Darwaja, Maninagar, going to Vatwa for my institute, or probably I am Ahmedabad, St. Xavier's College. We used to come to play hockey in the St. Xavier's ground, college ground, alright. So it is all very near to my heart, and I don't miss any opportunity. Rather, I try to create opportunity to visit Ahmedabad and Gujarat. So that is it. So I'm very emotionally attached. My childhood was here. I can probably mention. I still remember couple of garba, you say bhajan or song. कि ओढ़नी ओढ़ूने उड़ी उड़ी जाए ना नारे रेवाए ना नारे
Right.
केवाए कि आज के जो सूरज ने उगया थमनी और so it still keeps
So you
maybe
have a
echoing
very,
into my mind.
yeah.
Right.
So you have a strong emotional touch into the Gujarat, and
Yes.
actually we welcome you and we wish best wishes for this new book launch.
Thank you very much. Pleasure talking to you. What an
Thank you.
experience. Thank you.